tonneau cover is a great upgrade to any truck. Whether it be the only accessory you add or one of many, it can not only change the look of your truck, but add some security and peace of mind for your cargo as well. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the BakFlip MX4 tonneau cover. We like this tonneau cover because of its folding design. It gives you the ability to haul big cargo when you need it by folding back the cover. Throw in its aluminum construction and its sleek look, and it's the perfect choice for our F-150, and yours too. Now let's get to work. Since our truck does not have a drop-in bed liner, we start our tonneau cover installation by adding the included weather stripping on the forward rail of the truck bed. Before installing, you'll need to make sure that the surface is absolutely clean by wiping it down with alcohol first. Next, install the side rails for the tonneau cover with the silver brackets all the way forward towards the cab of the truck. We'll use the 6 included clamps to secure each of the side rails, 3 to a side. Make sure each clamp is inserted all the way into the rail and that the clamp teeth are aligned with the rail slots. Start at the front of the truck and place the first clamp 6 to 9 inches back and space evenly with the rear clamp about 6 inches from the tailgate. You may need to detach the prop rod and let it hang loose to install the middle bracket. Apply downward pressure to the rail as you tighten each clamp to ensure a tight seal. With the clamps hand tightened, you can go back and do a final tightening on each clamp. Repeat the steps on the opposite side. And now you're ready for the cover. Start this part of the installation process by simply setting down the folded cover on the rails towards the front of the cab. Keep in mind that the small panel of the cover faces towards the cab of the truck. Unpack the included buckle ends and hardware. Now it's time to secure the cover by using the included flat bolts and hardware. Then use a Phillips screwdriver to install the buckle ends into the pre-drilled holes on the front of the header. Next, install the 3 cab bumpers along the top edges of the cover where it meets the truck cab. Each of these come with the necessary washers and a 5-star finger knob to make tightening easy. Simply insert the flat bolts along with the black washers through the 2 pre-drilled holes in the front of the panel. The bolts should reach down through the silver brackets, which are attached to the side rails. Now, loosely assemble these washers in the knob onto the bolt underneath the cover. Rubber washer first, then flat washer, then lock washer, and 5-star finger knob. Be sure not to over-tighten these. You can now unfold the cover towards the rear of the truck, making sure the cover fits squarely between the rails. The cover's aluminum frame should fit just inside the tailgate and the flap seal should rest just on top of the tailgate. Once it's in proper position, you can fully tighten the flat bolts on the front of the truck using the finger knobs. Attach the included front drain hose from the end of the BakFlip rail to the factory drilled bed plug. If you have a plastic bed liner, you can drill a 7/8 hole through the plastic liner. Finally, secure the prop rods into place using the adjustable brackets on the underside of the cover. And there you have it. With about 30 minutes and some basic hand tools, you have a tonneau cover that not only looks great, but it works great too. Thanks for watching.